Welcome, everyone is a REALME C11 and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through the settings. Now to get started we'll need to open up settings and from here scroll down to additional settings. At the bottom you should see backup and reset, and from here choose erase all data factory reset. Now before I proceed further I will mention that performing this will remove all the data from your device, that including your music, photos, videos, any kind of personal data that you have put on the device will be completely gone. So if there is anything that you would like to keep, for instance your contacts as an example, you might want to back it up before you begin, otherwise you'll lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it or you don't want to, simply tap on erase all data, and erase all data, and the process will now begin. Now this will take a couple minutes, but once it's finished we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. And so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.